OMEGA Speedmaster Moonwatch Professional. Welcome to our YouTube channel. In this unboxing video, we will show you the smallest details of this product with a crystal clear picture and 4K resolution. Thank you for your interest. In our channel you will find unboxing videos and other interesting products. Subscribe now. OMEGA's legacy of precision, innovation, and timeless design. Crafted to perfection, this luxury men's watch boasts an array of features and specifications that elevate it to iconic status, making it a coveted accessory for discerning individuals who appreciate fine craftsmanship and exceptional performance. Encased within a robust stainless steel case measuring 42 mm in diameter, the OMEGA Speedmaster Moonwatch Professional exudes elegance and durability. Its striking black dial features luminescent hour markers and hands, offering excellent readability in any lighting conditions. Protected by a scratch-resistant sapphire crystal with anti-reflective coating, the dial is both stylish and functional, embodying the perfect balance of form and function. Versatility is a hallmark of the OMEGA Speedmaster Moonwatch Professional, with its chronograph function and tachymeter scale allowing for precise timekeeping and speed calculations. The small seconds subdial adds a touch of sophistication to the overall design, while the transparent caseback offers a glimpse into the intricate workings of the movement. At the heart of the OMEGA Speedmaster Moonwatch Professional ticks the OMEGA Caliber 3861, a manual winding chronograph movement equipped with a coaxial escapement. This cutting-edge movement is certified as a master chronometer by Metas, ensuring unparalleled accuracy and resistance to magnetic fields up to 15,000 Gauss. With its rhodium-plated finish and Geneva wave-patterned bridges, the Caliber 3861 is a testament to OMEGA's commitment to precision engineering and innovation. Completing the ensemble is a luxurious leather strap, meticulously crafted for comfort and style. Secured with a stainless steel fold-over clasp, the strap ensures a secure and comfortable fit for all-day wear. With a water resistance of 5 bar, the OMEGA Speedmaster Moonwatch Professional is suitable for everyday wear and occasional aquatic adventures. In summary, the OMEGA Speedmaster Moonwatch Professional is more than just a watch. It is a symbol of excellence, innovation, and timeless style. From its precision-engineered movement to its elegant design and exceptional performance, it embodies the spirit of adventure and exploration. Elevate your wrist game with the OMEGA Speedmaster Moonwatch Professional and experience the pinnacle of Swiss watchmaking craftsmanship. Please write in the comments what you like about this model and what you don't. Your opinion is important to us. We read all comments carefully. Thank you for watching. We are waiting for you again.